friends, welcome back to the Kids Zone with Trishy. Today we're going to read a special story about Christmas time. Can you guys guess what story we're going to read? Can you guess? Hold on, I'm going to give you one more guess. It's about a reindeer with a red nose. Yes, you got it! Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. That's the story we're going to read today. You guys ready to read it? You excited? All right, let's go.
All right, friends, let's set up Santa's village so we can get started with our story. Put some trees here, some more trees. What else do we need for our village? That's right, we need some characters. Here they are. Do you want to help me take them out of the box? You do? All right, let's go. Help me out. Which one should we take out first? Santa? All right, here's Santa. Now let's take out Rudolph. Here he is, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Here is Clarice, Rudolph's friend. She's so pretty with a bow on her head. Do you see the elf? Yeah, right there. His name is Hermie the elf. Let's take out the toy elephant and the toy doll. They're adorable. This one is, you guessed it, Yukon Cornelius. Can you say it? Yukon Cornelius. Very good, my friends. Which one should we do next? Let's do, yes, let's do Mrs. Claus, Santa's wife. Do you know who this is? Yes, he's a snowman. His name is Sam. Sam the snowman. Our last one, the snow monster. His name is Bumble. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Santa and his elves lived in Christmas Town. They made toys all year long. One day, a reindeer was born. His name was Rudolph. He had a red nose. It glowed. His parents were worried. Rudolph's father hid Rudolph's nose. All the reindeer wanted to pull Santa's sleigh. They were learning to fly. Rudolph joined them. Rudolph met Clarice. She liked Rudolph. Rudolph flew in the air. The reindeer cheered for Rudolph. He was happy. Oh no, Rudolph's fake nose fell off. The reindeer laughed. They called him Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Poor Rudolph. He ran away. Hermie the elf ran away too. He did not want to make toys. He wanted to be a dentist. Rudolph and Hermie ran away together. A snow monster began to chase them. A man named Yukon Cornelius helped them. Yukon chopped the ice. They floated away from the monster. They floated to an island filled with toys. These were toys no one wanted. The king of the island wanted Rudolph to find homes for the toys. Rudolph knew Santa would help. Oh no, the snow monster could see Rudolph's nose. Rudolph wanted to protect his friends. That night he left. Rudolph went home. His parents and Clarice were missing. The snow monster had them. Rudolph went to the monster's cave. Rudolph saved Clarice, but the monster grabbed him. Yukon and Hermie found Rudolph just in time. Hermie called the snow monster. Yukon dropped the rock on the monster's head. Everyone was safe. They all went back to Christmas Town. It was Christmas Eve, but there was a big storm. Oh no, Santa would have to cancel Christmas. Rudolph's nose started to glow. Santa got an idea. Rudolph's nose could light the way. Yay, Christmas was saved. Santa found homes for all the toys, and Rudolph became the most famous reindeer of all.
Thanks a lot, friends, for watching. Our doggies are very noisy right now. At the end of our story, they like our story. They're barking. It's back on. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more stories. Mwah! See you next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching, friends.